welcome back. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and comparison. In today's video, we are diving deep into the latest innovation from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. With its cutting edge design, innovative features, and a touch of nostalgia, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is here to rewrite the rulebook of what a smartphone can truly be. It's not just a device, it's a statement, a fashion accessory, and a technological breakthrough all in one. Get ready to unfold the future with us as we explore every facet of this cutting edge foldable smartphone. From its design to performance, cameras to software, we have got it all covered. So let's get started. First, we will talk about design and unfolding mechanism of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 claims an elegant and compact design that fits neatly in your palm and pocket. The folding mechanism is smoother than ever thanks to Samsung's advancements in hinge technology. The hinge not only ensures a satisfying snap but also offers enhanced durability to keep up with your daily hustle. Now, let's talk about display. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 features a stunning AMOLED panel with vibrant colors and deep black. The larger unfolded screen provides an immersive experience for your task, whether it's browsing, gaming, or watching your favorite content. And when you are done, simply flip it shut for a more compact form factor. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 does not disappoint. Packed with the latest processor and ample RAM, this foldable powerhouse ensures smooth multitasking and snappy app launches. Whether you are a productivity enthusiast or a gaming devotee, this device has the performance chops to handle it all. Capturing moments is a breeze with the Galaxy Z Flip 5's impressive camera setup. The dual lens system delivers sharp and vibrant photos even in a challenging light conditions. Plus, the innovative flex mode allows for unique angles and hand-free selfies. Whether you are a casual photographer or a selfie pro, this camera won't let you down. Samsung's One UI enhances the user experience on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, optimizing the interface for both folded and unfolded modes. Multitasking is seamless with the ability to run two apps simultaneously. The software adapts effortlessly to the changing form factor, ensuring a smooth transition as you fold and unfold. The Galaxy Z Flip 5's battery performance is surprisingly strong, keeping you powered throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging capabilities get you back in action swiftly. The device also supports wireless charging, adding an extra layer of convenience. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 worth your investment? Absolutely. With its sleek design, powerful performance, versatile camera system, and seamless folding experience, It's a remarkable step forward in smartphone technology. Whether you are trendsetter or a tech enthusiast, this foldable gem is sure to turn heads and elevate your mobile experience. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.